Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode where I am teaching how to use face yoga tools for the self practice. And in today's video I am going to teach how this face massager is helpful to lift, relax and scrub the facial muscles. So many students ask me if we have body massager like of a big size, can we use it for face? So I would say no, because the size and the exact area which we need to target for the face is different from the body massager. So please follow with me if you have the same size massager. So what I'm going to cover in today's session, we're going to work on the eye muscles. If you have droopy eyelids, if you have heaviness, puffiness around the eye area, you feel heavy all the day and your screen time is too much, and you are feeling that your eye muscles are getting weak and now the eyelids are like droopy. So in today's session, only one topic I will cover, how you can lift with this massager. So let's start with me. Before we start, make sure your tool is clean, your face is moisturized, specifically the eye area. So the first massage is, we are going to start with the center of the eyebrow. We place the tool and then slowly rotate here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and release. Now we massage upwards. Place in the center, massage and take a pause. I will be doing 5 times in the video. And same practice other side. Make sure we are just placing in the center, and when we roll, when we use the massager, it's just below the eyebrow. So soothing and relaxing. Release. This was the number 1 practice. Now second practice, we need to place it, we have 2 areas, right? So these are this one we're going to place just below the eyebrow. Lift up and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you place it and lift it, you feel little pain. That is normal. Another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. You can pause the video and repeat it 2 more times each side. With me, we are going to massage the area again. After we press the point, we are going to massage again. 1, 2 and 3 times. Other side. 1, 2 and 3. So we have this main acupressure point which is responsible to reduce the eye bags, relax the eye muscles, and when we do lymphatic drainage, this acupressure points supports us. Now the next, we just lift the eyebrow with the other hand, place it center and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the same at the corner, we lift from the corner and we place it this part outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. Now we have a twist. We are going to start from the center again and we twist the tool like this. We place it and then we twist. So you can see the eye lifting. My area eye is lifted like this. Same, twisting from the other side. And release. So like this, you can use this tool for droopy eyelids and to relax the eye muscles and to reduce puffiness. In the next video, I am going to teach the acupressure points, how you can press and how you can tag the under eyes area. Not only that, one more practice to reduce the crow's feet wrinkle with the same tool. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.